Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning.
This morning I brushed my teeth. This morning I brushed my teeth.
She washes her hands before eating. She washes her hands before eating.
Before lunch, she washed her hands. Before lunch, she washed her hands.
I comb my hair every day. I comb my hair every day.
This morning, I combed my hair. This morning, I combed my hair.
He eats breakfast at 7 o'clock. He eats breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Today, he ate breakfast early. Today, he ate breakfast early.
I open the door for my friend. I open the door for my friend.
Yesterday, I opened the door for my friend. Yesterday, I opened the door for my friend.
She washes the car on Sundays. She washes the car on Sundays.
Last Sunday, she washed the car. Last Sunday, she washed the car.
I listen to music every evening. I listen to music every evening.
Last night, I listened to music. Last night, I listened to music.
He writes a letter to his friend. He writes a letter to his friend.
Last week, he wrote a letter. Last week, he wrote a letter.
I take a shower every morning. I take a shower every morning.
This morning, I took a shower. This morning, I took a shower.
She rides her bike to work. She rides her bike to work.
Yesterday, she rode her bike to work. Yesterday, she rode her bike to work.
I